let's review the Zenpuff Co luxury aluminum glass water bottle. So this is it. It is around $55, and there's a discount or a promo. Buy two, give one free for 110 US dollars. So let's try to Google image search this one. So this is an exact match, as you can see, and these are Chinese brands. And of course, this Zenpuff Co is not unique at all. It's just one of the many mass-produced China-made bottles being rebranded under different names. So, this is a scammy buy, relying on marketing hype rather than genuine quality. If you want a reliable water bottle, then stick with established brands instead of paying extra for a rebranded import.